So Anmol Panwar, here's the point. I don't have too much time on the debate left, but here's the point. I understand that there is a war of words between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party over Yamuna's water. For a change, at least mudde ki baat ho rahi hai, chahe kitne sensational claims ho. My point is, why get personal with the Election Commission of India? It's an institution. You may like it, you may not like it, you may believe it, you may not believe it, but it is an institution of the government of India. It requires to be given some degree of respect. What was this barrage of charges and accusations that you have launched today against the ECI just because they asked for proof? Proof है तो दे दीजिए, हमको दे दीजिए या उनको दे दीजिए.
Shreya ji, the whole country is witnessing the collusion between the Election Commission, Bharatiya Janata Party and Delhi Police. चीख चीख के चिल्ला के हर मीडिया चैनल ने पूरे देश को बताया that Pravesh Verma is distributing 1100 rupees. Pravesh Verma himself admitted that he is distributing 1100 rupees, although he claimed that he is distributing it through his NGO. But ये NGO मुझे लगता है भारतीय जनता पार्टी है, because there's a hologram, there's a picture of Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, JP Nadda. And he was seen distributing these bed sheets, distributing gold chains. Yesterday, hordes of money were being caught at Kailash Gehlot's office. तो इससे ज़्यादा प्रूफ क्या दें हम, ये बताओ. अब हम उनकी आंख तो खोल नहीं सकते जाके राजीव कुमार जी की. If despite having ample evidence, the accused are themselves admitting before the national media, what more proof do they require? ये तो कठपुतली बने हुए हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी की. लोग समझदार हैं, लोग सारी चीज समझते हैं, लोग सब जानते हैं. That is why they never vote for the Bharatiya Janata Party. They have not been in power for last 25 years and they'll meet the same fate this time as well. Because they have no narrative, no agenda, no vision, no CM face. They only indulge in abusing and criticizing Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal. सुबह उठो गाली दो, शाम को गाली दो, सोते समय गाली दो और दोबारा वही प्रक्रिया चालू कर दो. This is how they operate in Delhi.
Friday 11 o'clock is when Mr. Kejriwal has to respond to the Election Commission with proof, else the Election Commission says they will take action against the Aam Aadmi Party chief. What can that action be? Will he be suspended for a day from campaigning? Will he be suspended from elections itself? Will there be an arrest, as Mr. Kejriwal is predicting? We'll wait and watch. The discussion will continue. Thank you all for joining us. JVC Sriram, Pankaj Kumar, Advocate Mahima Singh, Jasmine Sandwalia, thank you very much. And Anmol Panwar, good to have you on the show.